PUBG Mobile name change, how to change name and rename card in PUBG Mobile. Now you can change your in-name display in PUBG Mobile by acquiring a rename card from your inventory. To do so, once you launch the game, from the bottom right hand side you can see the inventory tab. You want to go to inventory from here. From inventory on the right hand side you can see this crate or this box like icon, so you have to go to this box like icon. Over here you will see if you have got a rename card that says ID. So if you have the ID rename card from here, you can choose to basically go ahead and then change your name from there. But if you don't have a rename card, you can also buy it from the shop by going to PUBG shop over here, and here you can simply try to search for the rename card in this case. So this way you will then be able to go ahead and then change your name using a rename card in PUBG Mobile. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.